but he's on the cycle path.
Police are cracking down on the illegal use of privately owned electric or e-scooters after a rise in reports across both areas. The machines are being used most often on the high street. Electric scooters are motor vehicles, but are not legal for road use and therefore cannot be insured. They can only be used on private land with the landowner's permission. It is illegal to use a powered transporter in spaces that are set aside for use by pedestrians, cyclists, and horse riders. This includes on the pavement and in cycle lanes. The government recently announced plans to introduce e-scooter rental trials in some parts of the UK, in order to ease the burden on public transport and allow for easier social distancing. Any person who uses a powered transporter on a public road or other prohibited space in breach of the law is committing a criminal offence and can be prosecuted.